When you do make a choice to have a financial advisor, because obviously I feel comfortable with you, because there's never going to be any more. So what I have today, because now I'm in my 60s, there's not going to be a lot more added to it. So trust is an enormous thing. I have to say, coming in here, each time I've come in here, I love your staff. I don't think I've ever walked into a company where people actually acknowledge you when you're sitting there, offer you a drink, tea or coffee or something, and make you feel completely warm and relaxed, because it is a little bit of a nervous thing to do, and it's something that I'm sort of doing on my own, but I really would like somebody to be holding my hand because you do make decisions and you hope that they're always the right one. So trust is huge. So I've always felt that with your company. I feel very relaxed. I think it's very reassuring when I walk in here. It's very professional, but in a very relaxed way. So that's a big start for me. So my entrance is always comfortable. Then you always have everything laid out, so it's all there for me in black and white, but in a very visual way. I'm a visual person, so I love our whiteboard. Okay, so I like you standing up there scrolling away. I like the little pieces of information that you add. You come back, you relate it, draw a little picture, have little walking steps, have another house, have a little valuation on the house. So that's all wonderful for me. So for a person that doesn't have a financial background, I'm always comfortable. I walk away. When I go home, I start to think about the little piece of conversation in a very relaxed way. I don't feel I didn't understand it. I walk out of here happy to say, great, see you in the next 6 months, 12 months, whenever we're going to have our next appointment. And you've answered every question. So I don't ever feel that I'm a bit lost with it. I appreciate everything that you told me in the last 12 months and sort of 18 months since we met, because I think I came into it feeling a little bit nervous, because I had a fairly good size super, but I was not happy with where it was before, and I didn't really understand what I could do with the super. I think that was really my biggest change, is that I actually felt that it wasn't growing and I really wasn't trusting 100% where I was. So you explained everything beautifully and you put it into really simple terms, which I appreciate, because we discussed different aspects of my super and what I need to do with it, and that I wanted to help my children, but I didn't want to tie it up into something that was going to be a really big commitment. So we came up with the 4 boxes, which I love, because it actually made a lot of sense to me. I don't have a financial background, but I'm not completely clueless with business and how to run a business. So I understand, a certain amount, but when we look at the bigger picture, it was way out of my realm. So putting things in little boxes made a lot of sense. It was fantastic. You really explained it beautifully. And I knew that I had certain amounts that I could access very quickly, which is what I needed for my children, but I also completely understood the amount that we're putting aside for growth that was going to stay there long term. So that was wonderful. And another thing which I had no idea of was the understanding of shares and the importance of dividends, not the cost of the shares. So no one's ever explained that to me before. So that was amazing. And I feel now I'm actually a little bit empowered with my knowledge. So I quite like that.